We're now going to answer question 3. Question 3 is worth 4 marks. Students at the school who are studying mathematics in year 7 to 10 can receive one of 3 grades at the end of the year: a distinction, a credit, or a pass. A regular transition matrix T that represents how students' grades change from year to year is given below. 4 of these values are listed as J, K, L, and M. So as you can see, we've got this year, we've got next year. Explain the meaning of the value 0.29 in the transition matrix T. So here it is. We need to explain it. So what is that telling me? It's telling me that 29% of the students this year who obtain a credit in maths are expected, are expected to obtain a distinction next year in maths. That might be a bit overkill. So let's just read that through, make sure it makes sense. So I'm saying that 29% of the students this year who obtain a credit in maths are expected to obtain a distinction next year in maths. If we look at our examiner's report here, it's telling us that the ideal answer was 29% of students obtaining a credit this year are expected to obtain a distinction next year. So kind of the key things that we're looking for here, 29% obtaining a credit this year, distinction next year. So as you can see here, I've written 29 of the students this year who obtained a credit in maths are expected to obtain a distinction next year. So just make sure you got all those key words there and you should be fine.